Hello everybody, this is Bui from Mama Bui's Kitchen. I hope you are having a great day. Today on Mama Bui's menu, guys, we are making homemade pancakes. These pancakes, guys, that are easy to throw together and are made with ingredients you typically already have. You'll love this recipe, guys. They are so fluffy and delicious, and the maple syrup and the pat of butter takes them to the next level. So let's get started. You know Mama Bui doesn't like to waste time. First things first, guys, let's get right into the ingredients. For this recipe, we are going to use self-raising flour, which is a combination of all-purpose flour, baking powder, and salt. And if you don't have it, you can make your own. Just blend 1 cup all-purpose flour, 1.5 teaspoons baking powder, and 1/4 teaspoon fine salt. Let's get right into the ingredients. For this beautiful recipe, you will need self-raising flour, milk, melted butter, vegetable oil, and 1 egg. First things first, start by combining all the wet ingredients in a medium bowl. Add melted and cool butter. Next, we're gonna add vegetable oil along with 1 egg and milk. Then we're gonna give it a good mix until everything is well combined. Next, we're gonna pour all our dry ingredients, which is self-raising flour, guys. You don't need to add any salt or baking powder. With this recipe, guys, you can add sugar. It's optional. You can add about 2 teaspoons of sugar. Since I'm using maple syrup, I just omit it. Mix until just combined. We want the batter to have lumps like this, guys. Do not overmix. Set the griddle to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Then ladle about 1/3 cup of batter on the skillet. Evenly space them apart. Smooth out the batter into 4-inch rounds. Then cook the pancakes 2 to 3 minutes on the first side. Cook until bubbles break the surface of the pancake and the undersides are golden brown. Then flip with a spatula and cook about 1 minute more. The pancakes are done, guys. You can serve them immediately or cover loosely with a foil to keep them warm. Don't forget to subscribe, guys, and like this video, and please leave a comment. Finish it off with maple syrup and a pat of butter. Until next time, guys, bye. Honey for my honey. Bye, my